Hello everybody, nice to see you all today. Now, as you can see, we are at a tea party. We've got some friends with us today, Mrs. Harding and I, they're quite hungry actually, but we are going to be practicing our sharing again today at this tea party. Do you remember last week we were doing some really impressive sharing? Now, it's really important that when we're sharing, we remember. What do you think we need to remember? Can you tell a grown-up near you? Or tell some of your toys, your cuddly toys, someone in your room. That's right. When we're sharing, we need to remember that each person or animal or toy at our party has to have the same amount, because it has to be fair, doesn't it? And it has to be equal. So we're looking to make the same today when we're sharing. Now, my friends here at the tea party, the wizard and the bear, are getting extremely hungry. So let's see what they have asked for today. So we're going to be practicing our sharing, and you can join along at home if you'd like to. If you want to get your Play-Doh out and find some friends, you can also join our tea party. Now here they wrote down they would like some tomatoes first. So I've just had a look in my fridge and I have found some tomatoes. Can you see? How many have I found there? That's right, I found 1, 2, 3, 4. There were 4 tomatoes in my fridge. So let's see if I can share the 4 tomatoes I have fairly and equally between Wizard and the bear at our party today. So I'm going to put them here. Oh, they're running away, these tomatoes. Right, okay. So can you do it as well at home if you want to join along? So 1 for Wizard. There you go in your bowl. Wizard, 1 for you. Or should I give Wizard another one? Oh, I could do that, but I think I'm going to make sure I'm definitely making it fair. So I'm going to give 1 here to Bear. They've got 1 each so far. So how many have I got left in my hand, do you think? Oh, can you tell a grown-up if we've got 1 in Wizard's bowl, 1 in Teddy's bowl, so that makes 1, and 1 makes 2. How many have I got left? I had 4 altogether. Can you see on Mrs. Harding's fingers? That's right, there are 2 left to share. So let's put another 1 in Wizard's bowl. Is that fair? Can you see? Is that fair? Wizard has 2 tomatoes. Bear has 1. No, you're right. That's not fair, is it? So I'm going to put my last one into Teddy's bowl. Can you see? So now I've shared my 4 tomatoes equally. They both have the same amount in their bowls. Wizard, are you happy? Yes, Wizard's happy. Are you happy, Bear? Yes, Bear's happy. They've both got 2 each, so we've shared 4 equally, and we can share 4 between them. They've got 2 tomatoes each.
Ooh. Well, everyone, I've got at my tea party today Mr. Lion. I've got Badger, you might recognise him from our classroom. And we've also got Monkey here today. Oh, and Monkey says he would really like some strawberries from my fridge for the tea party. So let me see, I'm going to see how many I've got. Oh, I found 1, 2, and 3 strawberries today. And look, how many teddy bears have we got? How many teddy bears have we got? I wonder if you can guess if we can share these 3 strawberries equally, if they'll all have the same amount, or will it not be fair? Have a guess now. Let's see if we can work it out. I'm going to give 1 to Lion. I'm going to give 1 to Badger. Then I'm going to give another 1 to Lion. Is that fair, everyone? No? Oh no, what have I done wrong, Miss Solomon?
Oh my goodness.
Not fair, is it?
Oh,
I think should we ask Wizard? Does Wizard know anything?
I was just about to say that. Shall we ask the wizard? Wizard, can you come and tell me what the problem is? What's the problem, Wizard? Let's have a look. Oh, Wizard's just going to tell me. Oh, he's not very happy about this, Mrs. Harding.
Oh dear.
Wizard thinks that it's not fair because your monkey doesn't have anything in his bowl. It's empty.
Oh no.
It's really unfair because the lion has 2 strawberries.
Oh.
Doesn't think that's the same and equal. It's not fair.
Not fair, is it? If monkey doesn't have anything and lion's got 2 and badger's got 1, monkey has nothing, that is not fair. I wonder what I need to do. Can you guess at home? What do I need to do? Oh, what do you think, Wizard? What should I do?
Wizard wonders whether you should move the 2 from the lion and put them in the monkey's bowl.
Okay, I'll do that then. There we go.
Wizard, look at that.
What do we think, everyone?
No, not sure about that.
Oh,
has anybody got any ideas?
Well, Badger's saying something. What is it, Badger? He said, no, silly. He said, try and give 1 to each of us and see if that works. He said, start all over again, Mrs. Harding. Okay, well, let's see if that will work then. Let's take all of the strawberries out. Here we go. Now they've all got nothing. That's fair, isn't it? Yes, right, here we go. Let's go 1 for Monkey, 1 for Badger, and 1 for Lion. I wonder if you all got that at home before we did. I bet you did, because you're very good mathematicians, aren't you? Fantastic. Now they've all got 1 each, so that must be fair.
Right, everyone, we're back over here now at our tea party with Wizard and Teddy. But look at their bowls. They're empty. I think they really enjoyed those tomatoes. But now they've asked for something else from my kitchen. They've asked for some cherries. They're really delicious cherries, aren't they? So they'd like to try some cherries at the tea party. Let's see how many cherries I had today in my kitchen. Shall we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 cherries today. So let's see if we can share those cherries, 7 cherries out at the tea party between Wizard and Bear. Okay, so let's put 1 for Wizard, 1 for Bear. I might put 2 for Wizard there and 3 in there. Oh, does that look fair? I can see Monkey shaking his head and saying no. Does that look fair?
Oh, he doesn't look very happy, Miss Sullivan.
No, look, Wizard is really not happy here.
Oh.
Why are you not happy, Wizard? He's saying he's got less than Bear. I know, but Bear's saying, but I'm hungry. But that's not fair though, is it? How many have you got then, Bear? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 in Bear's bowl. And how many have you got? You've got 1 less, Wizard says. He's got 1 less. So that would mean that Bear's and Wizard's got, oh, he had 4, 1 less. That's right. He's got 3. What shall we do, everyone? Do any of you, does Lion or Badger or Monkey have any ideas what to do over there?
Lion's got some.
Or any of the children at home watching, do your animals have any ideas that you could tell us or tell your grown-ups? Lion's got something to say. What does Lion want to say?
Lion says, can't you put 1 more into Wizard's bowl?
He wants me to put one more. Okay, let's move one more from Bears over to Wizards. Is that fair?
Oh,
Bear's not very happy now. Look, Bear's really not happy. Bear's saying, what's that, Bear? You've got one lesson, Wizard, now.
oh no.
Not sure what to do though, because I don't have, what did you say? Get some more. He wants me to get some more. He's telling me to get one more. Well, if I had one more, then maybe, would it be fair if I had one more and I put that in Bear's bowl? What do you think, everybody? Would it be fair? It would be fair, wouldn't it? Because if we added one more to 3, Bear would then have 4, and that's the same as Wizard, because Wizard has 4. But I'm really sorry, everyone. I don't have any more cherries left because I did eat some last night. So we have to use these. Shall I take them all out again and see if we can solve this problem? You might have some ideas at home. You might be doing this problem along with us, and you might have some ideas. So let's see. Let's give 1 to Wizard, 1 for you, 1 for Bear. So that looks fair at the moment. They've got 1 each. That looks fair. Another 1 for Wizard. Another 1 for Bear. 2 each. That's like when we shared our 4. And we had 2 each, and that was fine. That was the same. Another 1 for Wizard. And another 1 for Bear. Now, does that look fair? I think that might look fair because I can see that they've got 3 each. That's the same. But there is a problem. There's 1 cherry left, and we don't want to waste the cherries, do we? There's 1 left. So does that mean that we can share 7 cherries equally? 7 whole cherries equally? I think we can share 7 whole cherries equally, but there might be something we can do with this cherry. Has anybody got any ideas? What do you think? Wizard's telling me something. Hang on a minute, Wizard. You're going to have to... He's telling me to share this cherry, to break it up. Okay, then I'll give you a tiny little bit of the cherry there and then a bit in there for Bear. Is that fair? No, Wizard's not happy with that. Okay, let's put the cherry back together. Oh, you want me to break it in half? So I'm going to try break my cherry into 2 pieces, half. So we're halving it, but they've got to be the same size, Wizard was saying, because otherwise it's not fair. So I'm trying to make them the same size. So put them in half, half on that side and half on that side. Does that look fair, everybody? There we go. Yes, you're happy now because you have 3 and then a little half there. And Bear has 3 and a little half there. There we go. So we can share it if we broke the last one in half. But if we kept them all as whole cherries and it was really hard to cut that whole, we wouldn't be able to share them, would we?
Welcome back to Arty Party over here. Oh, we've been very busy while you've been working out how to share those 7 cherries because we've eaten all of our strawberries and then we've also made some pizza. We made 1, 2, 3, 4 pizzas. And we need to share it equally again between our 3 teddy bears. So I wonder if you can help me at home. Have you got any ideas how we might share these 4 yummy pizzas? Let's see. I think I'm going to go 2 to Badger. Oh, and Lion says, can he have 2 as well? So I'm going to go 2 to Lion. There we go. Oh no. Has someone noticed something? Uh-oh, poor Monkey again. Oh, he's got no pizzas at all. Lion's got 2. Badger's got 2. But Monkey hasn't got anything, has he? What are we going to do? Oh my goodness me. Let's see if we can try again. Maybe I can give 1 of Badger's to Monkey. What do you think, everyone? No, that's still not fair, is it? Because look, Lion's looking very happy over there because he's still got 2 yummy pizzas. But Badger and Monkey have only got one each. Oh no. I wonder if anyone's got any ideas at home of what we could do. Because it's quite tricky to share 4 whole pizzas with just 3 teddy bears. I wonder, shall we see if we can try again? I wonder if we can do it one at a time, one pizza at a time, and share them fairly. Here we go.
That does sound like a good idea.
Yeah, let's give 1 to Lion, 1 to Badger, and 1 to Monkey. Now they've all got 1 each, so that's definitely fair. But they still want more because we have 1 more whole pizza to share out. I wonder if we can do what Miss Simon and Wizard did when they halved their cherry. I wonder if we can do the same. So she said that we have to cut the whole pizza up and cut it in so it's got 2 parts, and those 2 parts are the same size when we half it. Let's see if I can find the middle, and we're going to see if I can cut straight down the middle so the 2 sides are the same. Here we go. Look, I think I've done it. I've got 2 sides that are the same. Here we go. So I've got 2 sides. But wait a minute. Can I still share that though? Because I've only got 2 and there's 3 people. There's 2 teddies here. Okay, what if I cut one of the halves up again? I might get this half, and I'm going to see if I can chop it in half again. Are you ready, everyone? Here we go. I'm going to cut. Oh, here we go. We've got 3 parts now. 1 half and 2 smaller pieces. There we go. Let's share it out. Lion, you can have the big half, and Badger, you can have the smaller bit, and Monkey, you can have the other smaller bit. Is that fair?
I'm not sure if that's fair.
I don't think that's fair because Badger's he's very, very cross. He says, Mrs. Harding, you've given a bigger piece to the lion. That's not fair. Oh, has anyone got any ideas? I wonder if you know what to do at home. This is very tricky. Monkey says, how about putting the pizza back together again? Okay, let's put the pizza back together again. And try cutting it in 3 equal parts. So all of the pizza is cut in 3 parts and they're all the same size. Oh, that's a good idea, Monkey. That was a very, very good idea. Should we see if Monkey might be right? So I've got my pizza back together. Let's see if I can cut it in 3 equal parts. Might need to make some triangles here. Here we go. So we've got 1 triangle, then 2 triangles, and 3. Can you see? I've managed to split it up into 3 equal parts. 3 yummy slices of pizza. I'm going to give 1 part to Lion, another part to Badger, and my other part to Monkey. Are you all happy with that, everyone? Yes, because we had to cut that whole pizza into 3 equal parts, and now they've all got 1 and a little bit more. There we go, everyone. I wonder if you've got the same at home.
Right, everybody, we're just going to quickly look at what we've just done. So well done for joining along with us with all that sharing. We're just going to have another quick look at sharing our whole numbers between our toy friends. So here we have 4 tomatoes and we're going to practice sharing the whole number this time between our 2 friends. Okay, so let's move. 1 tomato, 1 for you, 1 for Bear, 1 for you, 1 for Wizard, 1 for Bear, and 1 for Wizard. So you can see here that we can share 4 whole tomatoes equally because the Bear and the Wizard each have 2 each. So they have the same amount. It's fair.
Here, now we've got our 3 yummy strawberries and we're going to share them equally between our toy friends. Here we go. So we've got 1 for Badger, 1 for Lion, and 1 for Monkey. And that's right, we can share 3 equally with our 3 toy friends, can't we? Because they all have got the same amount. They all have 1 each.
Okay, and now we've got our 7 cherries. So we're going to try and share our 7 cherries. So 1 for Bear, 1 for you, Wizard, another 1 for you, Bear, and another 1 for you, Wizard. Oh, and then we had our, another 1 for Bear. That doesn't look like it's, yeah, and another 1 for Wizard. Oh, and then we had our 1 left. So they've each got 3 each. They've each got the same. Then we had 1 left. And do you remember with the Play-Doh, we broke it up and we split it in half. But we have just got 7 whole cherries here. We're not splitting these ones up. So as you can see, we can't share the whole number 7 fairly between them. So here they've got 3 and 3 and 1 left over. Because this cherry, we can't break it up very easily, this one. So you can't share 7 whole cherries equally.
Oh, and here, can you remember we made 4 yummy pizzas and we had a go at sharing our 4 yummy pizzas. So let's have a try and see if we can do it again. Let's see, we've got 1 to Badger, 1 to Lion, and 1 to Monkey. And can you remember, it was really tricky, wasn't it, to know what to do with this last yummy pizza, and we had to cut it up into 3 equal parts. But as Miss Solomon said, we can't do this on here because they are 4 whole pizzas and we can't chop it up on here. So we can't share that last pizza. So we've got 3 pizzas we can share and 1 left over. And we can see that they've all got 1 pizza each, which is fair because they all have the same amount. So we can share the 3 pizzas equally and fairly, but 1 is always going to be left over. 4 is very tricky to share between 3, isn't it, everyone? Okay.
Well done, everybody. It was lovely to practice and sharing today and practice all those sharing skills that we were learning last week. So perhaps at home now you can find some different things to share between your toys and your animal friends, and you might be able to have a go at seeing if you can share some things and split some things up. Some things might be easy to split and some things you might not be able to. You might not be able to share. They might have to just stay as the whole. So have a little go and see what you can do. Bye, everybody. Thank you.
Well done. Bye-bye.
Bye.